Everyone in Jamaica pays tax, but did you know it started from slavery days? Let me break it down for you. Tax in Jamaica goes all the way back to the 1600s under full British rule. Back then, the Crown taxed slave owners to help fund the colony. But after emancipation in 1838, they needed a new source of money. So they turned around and started taxing the freed people instead. By the late 1800s, Jamaicans were paying tax on land, livestock, rum, clothes, even basic goods they couldn't afford. Then in 1919, income tax was introduced. Now you got taxed for simply working and earning money. And guess what? Over 100 years later, nothing changed. You still lose 25-30% of your salary every month, and the country still broke. Taxation in Jamaica was never built to help the people. It was designed to keep the working class struggling. You work, they take. You hustle, they tax. That's why I created a WhatsApp subscription group for anyone who wants to learn how to trade stocks, start a business, or get real money knowledge directly from me. Once you subscribe, I'll send you my number and add you to the group personally. No more waiting on the system. Let's build real wealth together. Follow for more Alpha Facts and subscribe to my YouTube if you're ready to change your financial future.